Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another mini release over in the Whimsy Stamps shop, and today I'm sharing the Sneaking Santa die set. This set is super cute and it comes with 9 dies, but when you cut them all out, you end up with 13 die cuts. You get the roof and then the little dormer, I guess it's a dormer, and a chimney and a string of Christmas lights, a Santa butt so he could be hanging out of the chimney, a Santa and a reindeer, and this is what they look like once they're cut out. You can see you can layer up the bricks over the chimney so you get that dimension there. And then the little Santa upside down so it looks like he's stuck in the chimney. And you can do either a nice or a naughty card because that one little piece is actually Santa's tush. So I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For my first card, I decided to create a slimline card and cut the reindeer and the Santa butt out of black cardstock so it was more of a silhouette look. And for my second card, I die cut the Santa and the reindeer out of white cardstock and colored that up with my Copics. And I used the brick pattern stencil just to add a little bit of a house at the bottom of my card. And I will have a video sharing how I created this card on Wednesday, November 3rd. So I hope you come back and join me for that. And that finishes up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.